Hello friends, I am Saurabh. Today I will discuss about the concept and definition of human resource development, that is HRD. The originator of the HRD concept was Leonard Nadler. He introduced the concept of HRD in 1969 in a conference organized by the American Society for Training and Development. The term human resource development is made up of two words, that is human resource and development. Human resource focuses on the innate ability and enthusiasm of people employed within an organization who make contributions towards the development and recognizability of the purpose, vision, ethics, and objectives of an organization. Development is a procedure that consists of continuous learning through experiences. It results in overall physical, mental, and spiritual development of the person. The concepts of development, that is change and growth, and training, that is knowledge of a particular skills sets, are together used to understand development in totality. HRD is a specific area of human resource management. Definition of human resource development. According to Nadler, human resource development is a series of organized activities conducted within a specified time and designed to produce behavioral change. HRD is that area of human resource management which signifies the need to develop human resource, that is HR, so as to manage HR in a way that HR of an organization able to contribute to the maximum possible growth of such organization in future to come. Thank you.